Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a timeline in Google Slides. Whether you're working on a class project, a business presentation, or even a personal project, timelines are a fantastic way to help your audience visualize the sequence of events and better understand the flow of your ideas. So let's get started. First, open your browser and type in slides.google.com. This will take you to the Google Slides homepage. If you aren't signed in yet, you'll need to log in with your Google account credentials. Signing in ensures your work is saved securely and lets you access all of Google Slides' features. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at the homepage. Here, you can either open an existing file or start a new presentation. For building a timeline from scratch, click on the blank presentation option. This gives you a clean slate to work with. But if you'd like a jump start, you can also browse the template gallery, which offers pre-designed layouts that you can later customize. Now let's build the timeline. Inside your new presentation, head to the top menu and click on Insert. From the drop-down, select Diagram. A panel will open on the right side of your screen with a variety of diagram types. Among them, you'll see the timeline category. Click on it, and you'll notice several different timeline styles appear. These come in varying designs and color schemes, so pick one that best fits the tone of your presentation. Once you select it, the timeline will instantly appear on your slide, ready for you to customize. From here, the fun part begins. Customization. You can click on each section of the timeline to add your own events, tasks, or milestones. Be sure to include specific dates or time markers so your audience can clearly follow the sequence. You can also change the colors, fonts, and even resize the entire diagram to better match your theme. If you want to make your timeline stand out, try experimenting with bold colors for major milestones, or use icons and images alongside the text to add extra context. You can also duplicate the timeline slide and create variations if your project covers multiple phases. And there you have it. You've just created a professional-looking timeline in Google Slides. It's a quick and effective way to display chronological information and make your presentation more engaging. Thanks for watching.